Hello guys, today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on MOTOROLA G84. So when I have a problem with my headphones or another Bluetooth gadget, I'm always starting from the simplest way. Just switch off and switch on again the Bluetooth connection to restart it. You can also try to restart your phone by the power button. A little obvious, I know, but sometimes it works, so just try it. At the start you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory is in the Pair mode, and how to activate the Pair mode you will find the manual to your device or maybe on your YouTube channel, so just check it and be sure that your Bluetooth accessory is visible for the devices. But it's still not for your phone. Open the system in the settings and choose reset options. Now select the Bluetooth and tap on reset settings, tap on this button again. After that look for your device on the Bluetooth list again. You can also try to update the system, so go to the system updates in the settings and tap on the check for updates. If you have any, just load it and install. And the last recommendation from me, check your Bluetooth accessory and your phone on other Bluetooth device to check which one is visible, which one is making problem here. That's it, thanks for watching, leave us a like, recommend and goodbye.